Invoice number V6099. Today is April 13th, 2020. We are video inspecting a 13 by 13 living room fireplace. We are approximately 10 feet tall from the bottom of the flue to the top of the flue. Proceeding down video inspection now. Creosote is present, and you can get a better idea. You see it all in here. Present throughout the flue. And these are the joints right here. So that's where that cement is for each course of tile.
That didn't look that bad.
That one's pretty good. It's tight. Get this guy out so I can work with this a little bit better here. Still got all that glazing. You can see how it's got a little bit thicker here.
Yeah. Is it usually thicker towards the bottom?
Usually thicker towards the top. Okay, let's go to the next. Okay. Oh man. Okay, so you're missing flue tile here.
Missing flue tile.
Yep, which is the terracotta. See how you got terracotta? And you got terracotta. In the middle, there's no terracotta.
That's not just a seal?
What they did was they put bricks in between it. And again, you're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to be one material going all the way up. And if you look in between these bricks, you got gaps.
Yeah. Why would they do that?
Let's see right now. Honestly, I don't know why, because
That makes sense.
that was just lazy. I mean, there's an offset here. You can kind of see, if you look, you can see where it starts to, it kind of got a little bit of a kick, but there are some gaps present.
How do you fix that?
That would be that heat shield product that I was telling you about earlier.
Pour it in and then you
Then we coat up, yeah.
That would seal up
and
that
would, yeah, that would coat the entire flue at that
The
point.
entire flue.
Yeah, that would resurface it entirely. And you get, if you look, you got
I mean, I see the crack.
a gap right in there.
Yeah.
You got a gap behind this tile as well, right here. And again, you have all that creosote in there, which doesn't help it at all. Let's see what we got. And again, you can see how thick that glazing is as well. So it looks like they might have done it again. Let me lower this LED a little bit. That might help me. Yeah, there's more brick in here too. I don't understand why they did this. Because again, you're
It's
supposed
not cement, it's brick.
yeah, that's brick. What you're supposed to do is terracotta, your cement, then your terracotta. And for offsets, they're supposed to cut the terracottas on angles to make up for that angle now. Now you see the orange, that's what you're looking for. You want orange. That's the flue tile. And you can see here, you got more brick there.
And they did it parallel, vertical to brick? Or that's just on its side?
It's on its side,
Yeah.
it looks like, yeah. Take this one out. I'll make it just maneuver in here a little bit better. Yeah, there's more brick. Let's get in that area right there.
So they bricked where that gap, where the kink was.
Correct, where the
They
offsets.
didn't go where it was straight, they just bricked it where it kinked.
Yeah, where the offsets are, they
Yeah.
just basically just bricked it instead of transitioning it properly. Clean this lens off. Again. exactly what's going on here. Keeps getting wet. The rain is just coming in at every angle.
Yeah.
I'm going by hand now. Think about this. Now we're in the smoke chamber.
Okay.
I'll try to get this stuff out of your way. You can see there's some brick in the smoke chamber as well. You got a gap right.
Hold on, move that rag real quick.
Oh yeah, sorry about
Sorry.
that.
Where's the brick, if you could show me?
Yeah, right here.
That's brick.
That's brick. And again, that area, and this is the back of the firebox. You can see there's more brick.
Yeah.
And then to the left, you got more brick. And all the mortar in between the brick is starting to break down. Similar to what you got going on down here.
Gotcha.
So there's a couple of different things going on.
But that coating, does that go all the way down to the firebox?
With the coating, that concludes the video scan for today. Defects are observed.